This is Ruben's Talabahan, guys, which is you can fishing to the pond with tilapia, milkfish, and they can cook it for you. They can charge only 100 pesos.
Here we are at Papakits.
How many hours we been? Maybe at least 2 hours.
Too long.
2 hours from Minglanilla to here, Liloan. Here's my nieces. Hi guys. Hina sa pimpal, guys. Bitanaw na to ang convent. Before, maybe 10 years ago, we came here. 12 years ago, and then you can fishing here. Tilapia, I think, and there is bangus. Bangus.
And milkfish.
Yeah. And then, hi.
Cottage mo, ma'am?
Dili, inipahuwas at may kadiyo. Tumarag 2 hours sa mong biyahe. Kapag.
Mingla.
Inipahuwas sa may kay murag kutas. Dito siguro mga pwede, pero di alam yung cottage. Ha? Kaya ato mo.
Cottage mo, ma'am. Ikaw mag-fishing mo.
Ako sa siya inon kay basig ni ngipong pira.
You can catch fish here, sir. But there, we have a entrance 100 per person.
Oh.
Diri pila cottage day? Kuan. Kung magkuraman ni diri na human 3 hours, 1,000. Kung whole day, 1,500.
Oh. Pero
kuan na mo
Here
diri.
we fished over there.
fishing man good.
100. 100. The rod is
They don't have to
100.
pay me that.
And then ipaluto no ang fish.
Oh. But if you want fresh air here, and it's only a private in yours only. You cannot fish there. Over here lang.
Oh. But if we're gonna go inside, we can pay some 100 pesos per entrance, and you can fishing over, no? Oh.
The rod is 100 also.
Oh.
Our fees is 20 per cup. Then our bait is 20.
Oh, sige.
Oh, this is the fishing pole.
Bagura man yun na human diri, ma'am. Nasa diri na kuan ba 3 hours.
Oh,
sila.
maudi ay.
Nakakuha sila diri 2 ka isda.
Mo ba?
Oh, bata man ang nagkuan. Tulo ra sa sila ka.
Gamay ra. Gagmay pa man ang isda.
Ma'am, 350 ang kilo. Pero kung ini itanong mo, mag-add na ta 100.
Oh. Gagmay pa mong fish dira lagi.
Tawag ko naman sa kaya na oh. Dok-dok.
Mo. Tagtuan. Oh.
Bringing in the fish.
Yeah.
And
Hoy.
fish will go over here.
Yeah. So what do you think, sir? We're gonna walk.
What kind of fish? Just tilapia and
Tilapia
milkfish?
and bangus.
Bangus.
Milkfish?
Okay.
Una sa tabi dito, zipline mo kaya.
Pwede pa man yung mga ato dito, no?
Ari man siguro ang kuan, ma'am?
Dili din na-include rin, no? Sa papa.
Dili, kuan na ni diri Ruben's. Anak mo sila mga kuan. Nasa 5 ang ilang mga rides diri.
Oo.
5 ba?
Yung alas 3 no.
Until 5?
Until 5 lang ilang mga rides.
Mga
Ang fishing sad until 5 lang.
Ano ba? Mga to na lang sa...
What is another 4?
Yeah, 3 o'clock. Oh, we're gonna walk first.
If you want to do something, I guess we better do it.
Okay, yeah, let's go. Maybe we can find some ice cream, guys, to keep us golden from too hot. That's so beautiful. Look at that. That's Ruben's Talabahan di ay. Asan to mga? Hi. Asan naman sila eh? food. Over here, guys, you can fishing with tilapia, bangus, and then if you wanna cook them over here in a restaurant, they just charge you 100 pesos to cook. So that's kind of cool. We've been here before. So the entrance fee 100, adult and kids fishing 8 a.m. to 4. Oh, we're almost done. Rod is fishing rod is 100, feeds 20, bait 20. So hi. We're gonna look. Are we gonna eat, Jan? Look. Oh, look at the crab. Padag ko sa crab. Please don't touch the. Ooh, fresh crabs. Tago kang crabs. Nindot na lagi dali. Ay, I don't know if ngita mo siya ice cream ko doon. Talabahan. Sinigang, 150 kilo, paksiw, calamares. Are we gonna eat here, sir? I think it's okay over here. Look at their menu.
Mag-fishing mo, auntie.
Dili. Wala, they're fishing. They catch it. Ah, they got bangus.
Almost got it.
Oy, oh, they lost it. He lost it. I think it's not really bad product. We can share everybody. I think remember that before, John, there's a they don't have like this.
When I was over there.
Yeah, over there, but they don't have this rails over here. And we go fishing over there.
I'm not fishing in the sun, man.
We go fishing before.
Fishing right over here.
Oh, over here
I think we ought to go into town.
in the town. Okay.
Eat at the restaurant. If you want to get a
So, if you don't want to go fishing, they have also restaurant available, seafoods. It's kind of reasonable price. So we did not eat because we're planning to go to SM Mall to eat. Okay. This is not part of Papakits, so that they are a separate business. So the Papakits is all the way to corner.